David Bahnsen joining us now. Right, David, that PPI report, no change. That seems positive to me. What do you say?
Yeah, the problem was that they revised May upwards. It had been only 0.1%. They raised it all the way to 0.3 for the month. And so now you have to wonder if June will end up being revised. And again, I want to keep pointing out when people are talking about where's the tariff inflation, where are the tariffs? He didn't do the tariffs. He suspended them. He delayed them. He gave waivers, exemptions. So I don't understand when people are expecting inflation from tariffs that didn't happen. Where there were some tariffs, communication equipment, PPI was up almost 1% on the month. So it's a mixed bag in that PPI number. I generally think there's downward pressure on inflation, and I do not believe the Fed should be waiting to cut rates because of tariffs. But I also believe people think tariffs don't raise prices, have another thing coming.
But you wouldn't want the president to fire Jay Powell, would you?
The president doesn't have the legal authority to fire Jay Powell. No, sir.
But if it was shown that the cost overruns at the headquarters renovation, is that for cause? Is that a big enough issue for cause to fire him?
No, I do not believe in using pretextual rationalizations to circumvent the law, my friend.
Okay, all right, I'll leave it at that. But you brought with us your famous dividend picks, and I noticed that this morning you've got Cummins. I associate that with an engine company. Are they?
Yeah. That's right. It's an industrial company that we love. And the reason I picked Cummins is because yesterday they raised the dividend 10%, now 9.9% to be precise. So these annual dividend increases are what we love. And Cummins is one that's been raising the dividend year over year. Yesterday, a 10% increase. They had dropped 20% in their stock price. When the tariffs came out, it's recovered all of that. Cummins is a wonderful play on industrial machinery.
I usually stick with technology, but you're whetting my appetite going into the industrial side of things. That's a nice dividend. David, thanks very much indeed. Always good to see you. We'll see you again soon.
Thanks, Tom.